Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with new trick, with new method to earn money, to earn lot of money. With this method, you can earn lot of money. You can become billionaire. So guys, the method is here in front of you. Uh, Do voice over work. Voice over work is an excellent way to make money fast since most voice over jobs are project based. A long term commitment isn't required. Companies are always looking for new voice over talents. Here are a few examples of how to use your voice to make good money. Okay, here the first one is the audiobooks help bring a story to life by narrating various types of books, including novels, biographies, and essay collections. Okay, the second one is advertisements and commercials. Ads with voiceovers are still a popular way for companies to market their products and services. Okay, the next one is the trailers. Movies, shows, and events release trailers to build anticipation. Okay, the next one is the demonstration videos. Some companies create how-to videos and hire voice-over talents to help demo their products. Audio guides are used by museums, galleries, travel agencies, and tourist destinations to enhance the visitor experience. How much you earn from voice or projects depends on your experience, the project's type, and the script's length. The average salary of voiceover artists in the United States is around £31 per hour. On the other hand, experienced audiobook voice talents can earn up to $200 per finished hour, which refer a book reading time. Okay, one of the easiest way to get started is by creating a profile on freelance marketplace like Upwork and responding directly to voice over jobs and join freelance website in an excellent way to test the web for trades and compare available jobs. Okay, here is the Upwork. You just click here, it will redirect towards the site. You can find different jobs here in the Upwork. Alternative, if you want to sign up alternative to the voice or ad which connect voiceover talent with clients and audiobooks narrators with authors. Okay, here is a link direct to the voices. Explore voice or put your voice or skills to work on voices. Okay, a good voice over talent is versatile and dynamic. They can bring a script to life no matter the topic. With audiobooks, a consistent narrative voice, excellent articulation skill, and the ability to voice different characters and crucial. To prepare for voice over work, set aside a few hours of your day to try out sample scripts and see which niche fits your voice and style the best. Knowing your strengths will help market your service to the right client. Since producing high quality audio is crucial for this job, investing in a good microphone and recording software are a must. Also try to minimize background noise when recording audio samples. Okay guys, this is all the overview about the voice over work. In this, you just have simply provide the provide your voice over different tasks which will be assigned by different people. You can get the orders through the Upworks. Okay, when you get, just simply make an account on the Upwork and just get the clients there and get the order. uh, if you are expert in voiceover, you can easily get the orders and reviews, so you can become a top seller as a voiceover artist. Okay, so this is the whole method, this is the whole procedure. With you can earn a lot of money by taking orders and completing your task on time. Okay, this was our tutorial video in which I just give you the method to earn money by voice over artist. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you will really like it.